In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Ohara AI to build apps and games. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to ohara.ai, which is their official website, and you want to sign into your account, or of course create one in case you don't have one yet. Now, after that, to basically use it to build apps and games, it's going to be very, very simple. Simply go over here where it says, what would you like to create? And down here at the bottom, as you can see, there's a bunch of different options you can actually do. But for this instance, what I'm going to create now is a simple calculator. So I'm going to type in create a simple calculator app with great user experience. There we go. So I misspelled that, actually calculator. There we go. Now after that, you want to click on this button over here and it's going to basically get started. Now here, as you can see, first it's going to say create, and then this AI bot over here is going to start typing. So as you can see, it's going to kind of line up the workflow. And then after that's done, it's going to start listing project files. It's going to start exploring things and a bunch of different things over here. So as you can see, it's now currently making this in the background. So all you're going to have to do is you're gonna just have to wait for this to actually all complete. Now in the meantime, you can go ahead and if you want to type something else, you can go ahead and do that too. But before sending, you're gonna first have to wait until this is actually built, okay? Now here you can also go to configure up top and you'll be able to see basically the code once that's gonna of course appear over here because it's still creating. Here you can see the connections, so you can see there's a private or public connection, and then inside settings you can see that you'll be able to change visibility and remixing, of course, whenever your app has been created. But the main thing is going to be happening in this creation over here where it says create. So it's basically just gonna go ahead and start creating your app. It's gonna go from A to B to Z, whatever. And then after that's done, you'll be presented with your app, and then you'll be able to basically go ahead and publish it, use it yourself, or whatever you want to do. So that's pretty much it. Of course, you can also create different games with that or whatever you want. And right now here, it's already made it. As you can see, it created this calculator app. It's ready to use. It can run a final check to make sure everything builds correctly. And then once that's done, you'll be able to see basically what's going on. Now down here, you can see also there's a build button. So if you want to essentially switch from build and chat, you can go ahead and do that as well. So what this does is essentially you can go ahead and continue with the building, or if you have something to chat with Motto directly, which is their AI which creates apps over here, you can do that too. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.